Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are discussing about the chapter The Earth and its Neighbors. So, the Earth and its Neighbors, we are discussing the chapter The Earth and its Neighbors. So, we have discussed till the page number 252 we have completed yesterday. Once again, we can recap. We have discussed about the solar system, which all the planets are there in the solar system we have discussed. So there are 8 planets in the solar system, which are those: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are all the 8 planets in the solar system. So we have discussed that Mercury is the closest planet of the Sun. Mercury is the very closest planet to the Sun, and Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. So, first Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system, and second Earth is the largest planet of the solar system. Earth is the second largest of the solar system, and the third largest solar planet in the solar system is Uranus. So Uranus is the third largest planet of the solar system. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. So Neptune is the eighth planet. And Mars is also known as the red planet. So Mars is also known as the red planet. Solar system. In the solar system, Mars is called as known as the red planet. So page number 253 we can discuss today. Besides the sun, the planets, the solar system consists of natural satellites or moons, asteroids and comets. So there are apart from the sun and the planets, the solar system also consists of some natural satellites or moons. Moon, only sun not. There will be moon and other asteroids and comets. Comets means asteroids and comets means asteroids means these are the small pieces of these are all the small pieces of rocks, metals in the solar system. Pieces of the rocks like rocks and metals in the solar system. And comet means this is the mass of ice. It will be ice and the dust particles in the solar system. Comets means the dust particles or ice in the solar system. So first, moon. We can see the moon. The moon is the earth's nearest neighboring. The moon is the earth's nearest neighbor. So the moon is the earth's nearest neighbor. So there are all other planets to the earth neighbor, but the moon is the earth's nearest neighbor. You can see where moon. So in this picture, sorry, they have not given the moon in this picture, but the moon is the very nearest to the earth. The moon is the earth's nearest neighbor. When we look up at the night sky, we see the moon shining brightly besides the star. When we look up the night sky, always the moon we can see only on the nights. We cannot see in the daytime. So when we look up at the night sky, we see the moon shining brightly besides the stars. So when we look at up the night sky, the moon will be shining very bright besides the stars. There will be lot of stars in the sky. Besides the stars, the moon will be brightening very much lightly. It is called natural satellite of the earth. It is called as the natural satellite. The moon will get light from of its own. The moon will having the light of its own. So it's called as the natural satellite. It moves around our planet. It moves around our planets. It will move around our planet Earth. Like the Earth, many other planets have small objects called natural satellites or moons revolving around them. Like the Earth, many other planets like the Earth, other planets like Jupiter, Mars, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, apart from the Earth, other planets will also having some of the natural satellites which we revolve around them. Only not the earth is having the natural satellites like the earth. The other planets is also having some of the natural satellites which will move around them. So moon is the nearest planet of the solar system, and the moon it will be shines in the night time very much darkly besides the star, and this is having the light of their own, so it is called as the natural satellite, and it will moves around the earth like the earth having the natural satellites. The other planets are also having the natural satellites. Next, asteroids and comets. There are checks of rocks and metals found in the solar system. There are checks of rocks. Checks means small pieces of rocks. There are some of the small pieces of rocks in the solar system. Those are called as the asteroids. You may observe in this picture. Here are some of the checks, and here are some of the little rock type metals. These are called as the asteroids. You may see these are all called as the asteroids. Scientists think that they are loose material that never formed into a planet. Scientists have told that those are the loose and small pieces of materials that will never form as the planets. It will never form as the planet. The main asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. The main asteroid belt is located between Mars and the Jupiter. Here is the Mars and here is the Jupiter. So the main asteroid belt is located here to the Mars and the Jupiter. Between the Mars and the Jupiter, here is the main belt of the asteroids. A comet is a mass of ice, dust, and rocky particles with a long tail. Comets means it is the ice or dust particles. It is the mass of ice or the dust particle that will have the long tail. You can observe this is the comets. This is the dust particles or the ice mass of ice which is having the long tail. It will be very much long. So this is about the asteroids and comets. The asteroids means in the solar system there are having some small rock materials or metals. Those are called as the asteroids. And the main asteroid belt is found between the Mars and the Jupiter. The main asteroid belt is found between the Mars and the Jupiter. And next, and the main this the a comet is a mass of ice. Comet means it is the mass of ice or the dust particles in the which is too long. It will have too long tail, so that is called as the comets. So this is about the chapter the earth and its neighbors. This is about the chapter the earth and its neighbors, and in the next class we can discuss about all the exercises related to this chapter, and I'll upload the notes also for you. So, and I'll upload one video for you about the solar system. Whole the solar system you can see in that video, and I'll upload that video also in this itself. So you can watch it. You can watch that video and you can get full of clarity about the solar system. Okay, thank you. In the next class we can discuss.